Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 15, replacing the main speaker. Let's get started. We already disassembled the display module, removing necessary screw. Removing the speaker. This is the new speaker. Installing the speaker. Assembling the display. Turning on the phone. Testing the speaker. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the iPhone 15 main speaker. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Do you have any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.